Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where tech meets attitude. Today we are diving into the brand new 2025 Motorola Edge 70. Motorola has been making waves lately, and this model shows they are not slowing down anytime soon. Starting with the features, the Motorola Edge 70 comes packed with a sleek OLED display that feels almost like silk under your fingertips. Colors pop with vibrant intensity, and scrolling feels insanely smooth thanks to its high refresh rate. The phone runs on Motorola's latest UI over Android, keeping the experience clean but adding a few neat tricks like custom gestures and a supercharged always-on display. Under the hood, the Edge 70 is powered by one of the latest Snapdragon processors, which means it can easily handle everything from hardcore gaming to multitasking like a pro. You also get a strong battery that can last you more than a full day even with heavy use. And when you finally do run low, the insanely fast charging will have you back to a full battery before you even finish watching a couple of YouTube videos. One of the real highlights here is the camera setup. Motorola has gone all in with a triple lens system that takes detailed, bright, and color-accurate photos. The main sensor handles low light like a champ, while the ultra-wide lens is perfect for those big group shots or epic landscapes. The telephoto lens brings you closer without losing quality, which is a must-have for photography lovers. Motorola also added some smart AI features to the camera app that automatically suggest the best settings depending on what you are shooting. Portraits, night shots, action shots. It does most of the thinking for you, so you can just focus on getting that perfect shot. Now let's talk about the exterior, because Motorola clearly paid attention to the details. The Edge 70 has a premium look and feel. The front is almost all screen with barely any bezels. The edges curve just slightly, giving it that futuristic floating in your hand vibe without making it slippery or hard to hold. The back has a matte finish that resists fingerprints and smudges, which is something I personally love, because who wants to carry around a microfiber cloth all day? The camera module blends nicely into the backplate without sticking out like a sore thumb. It is subtle but stylish. As for colors, Motorola went bold with some vibrant new options that catch the light in really cool ways. No boring shades here. Whether you like something flashy or prefer something more classic, there is a color for you. Another thing you will notice is how light and thin this phone feels. It is sturdy but does not weigh down your pocket or your hand. Motorola also made sure the Edge 70 has some water resistance, so you do not have to freak out if you get caught in a little rain. The audio experience deserves a mention too. The dual speakers get seriously loud without distorting, and there is even a bit of bass, which is rare for phones. Watching movies or gaming without earbuds actually sounds good on this device. Now for the conclusion. The Motorola Edge 70 feels like a strong step forward for the brand. It looks great, feels great, and performs even better. They nailed the balance between power, style, and usability. It is perfect for someone who wants a premium phone experience without diving headfirst into crazy high prices. If you are tired of the usual suspects and looking for something fresh and exciting, the Motorola Edge 70 should definitely be on your radar. It is proof that Motorola is not just playing catch up anymore, they are setting the pace. That's it for today. Let me know what you think of the new Edge 70 in the comments, and do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more real talk reviews. Catch you in the next one right here on FK iPhone. Would you also want a slightly more hyped or a bit shorter version too, depending on your style?